So there's a coin going 200x right now during the Bitcoin rally, and we're going to be talking about this new meme coin that's having crazy movements right now, currently up around 200% in just the past 7 days. So we're going to be talking about this new meme coin in the market. There are a tons, but we're just going to be talking about this one for now. The other ones we're going to cover later in another video, so do make sure to tune in for that also. But without wasting any more time, let's get right into this coin and talk more about it. But before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what other content we should make, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So as we are on CoinMarketCap, let's look at the regular list we are supposed to see. Our regular list would be basically Bitcoin on number 1, and the Ethereum, basically filtering by the topmost cryptocurrencies happening right now and what big market cap we are seeing in the whole crypto market. But if we filter by the most moved cryptocurrency in the past day, we can see this meme coin that's on top. This meme coin is called DogWifHat. So this is, we can already tell it's already a meme coin, because most meme coins in the crypto market is based on dogs. As you can see, dog breeds. This DogWifHat, Bonk is a dog, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. So we can already tell this is a pattern in the crypto community. And we can see this is currently the most moved cryptocurrency in the top 100 of all cryptocurrencies, up around 200%. So let's just take an overview. It's currently trading at around 93 cents right now, up around 9.8% in just the past hour. So just the past hour, we have seen almost a 10% gain. In the past 24 hours, we are up 13.97%, and in the past 7 days, we are up around 200%. So crazy, 3x the money. So if you put in $1,000, you would have around $3,000 right now. So that's just an example, but let's just get deeper into this coin and let's look at what's happening with it. If we analyze the daily and the weekly chart as we usually do, and if we look at this graph right here, currently at around 94 cents, up around 16.68% in the past 7 days. So in the past day actually. So crazy things we are seeing right now. Our market cap up around also 17%, at around $940 million, 17.7%. So our volume is at around 211 millions, down because we are seeing some sort of retracement basically happening in the market. But if we talk about this daily graph right now, we started the day at around 80 cents. We did go back and forth, up, moving up and down throughout the whole time, but we did see our numbers spike all the way up to 97 cents just today. So our highest number was around 97 cents. So that's what basically we're seeing in DogWifHat right now. And if we go to the 7-day chart, this is where we see the magic happening. So this is where we see the big numbers roll in of our 200x, so 200% actually, and we are still up like crazy. If we talk about the past week, so basically we are seeing these huge numbers roll in. If we just take a look at the 7-day graph, we can see we started the week at around 30 cents in the starting price, and we can see the price was fluctuating up and down. We didn't see a lot of movement, but as we got to the Bitcoin rally, we can see we started seeing more of an incline. We started seeing the price gradually increasing, and it got even higher and higher as we were talking. So basically we were moving up and up throughout the whole week. Constant green movement. We are still up, still seeing crazy numbers. So if you want to check out these articles, you can obviously go to the right of this panel right here on coinmarket.com and check out any news happening to DogWifHat. So crazy things going on with this coin right now. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about basically what's going on with a new booming meme coin, which is DogWifHat. And we did talk about what the graphs look like. It has been booming crazy 200% in just the past week. So we just finished talking about that. So that was about it. If you guys are new to this channel, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And that was about it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.